Bye, honey. More enthusiastic, please.
What?
More enthusiastic, please.
What?
Say bye, honey, like you love me.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Me say that to you?
Yeah.
But you didn't make the bed.
What do you mean, make the bed?
You didn't make the bed.
Oh my gosh. Tara,
So
you go upstairs and make the bed with mommy. I sent her up for you. Go ahead, Tara. Tara don't care. Hey, bye. Last video of 2020. This is the last video. So, a lot of you requested to do the best tools of 2020. I only had one person say, do not do it. So, today, best tools of 2020. A couple lessons I've learned from 2020. Let's get this year done with and get on with 2021. So 2020 has been, like a insane year, but luckily enough, with window cleaning, it wasn't as hard or as horrible as I thought it would be at the very, very beginning, back in March when all this stuff first started in the US. So I'm actually very surprised how this year went. It was just surprisingly a very, very good year. I know for some it was rough. I know for many it was rough. But I don't want to dwell on that too much of the negatives of what happened this year. If anything, I just want to kind of think about the future and think about how hopefully all this stuff is going to be done soon and we can kind of just get back to normal. Whether or not that normal will be like it used to be, just getting back to some form of normalcy and being able to do cold calling to restaurants again and get those kind of businesses will be extremely, extremely nice. Yeah, you have to tell me what your favorite tool of 2020 is for window cleaning.
I think this is one of
the handle?
the handle of this kind, squeegee.
You took my last green rubber too.
Yeah.
Son of a gun.
The fiber.
The fiber.
Oh,
It's a fiber pole.
Yeah, it's light.
Light.
It's convenient, easy. It's
Nice.
It's warm and
It is warmer.
warmer.
It's not aluminum.
Yeah.
Aluminum.
It's nice. Not cold, not freeze.
Very nice. That is Alf's review of 2020 tools. And your pee bottle.
Yeah. And the bathroom cleaning set.
Yeah, this is our bathroom.
Bathroom.
That COVID gives us no place to pee.
Start inside, please.
I might start outside so I don't have to deal with that guy. I thought it was colder.
Okay, so I start outside.
Yeah, let's just start up. Let's get the outside done and we'll go inside after. I would say my favorite washer sleeve is the Unger Black series. I've just loved it ever since I got it. So that would definitely be that. The most innovative sleeve, it's a little frozen at the moment, but the Maker. Very innovative this year. Very, very cool. I would have to say my favorite rubber of the whole entire year is the Undergreen Rubber. This rubber I've used now for 2 weeks on one side. I always used to switch my Ettore Rubber every day. So if you want a great rubber that lasts a really, really long time and you get a lot of money out of it as far as what you make, Undergreen Rubber. Really, really hope that Unger brings this back because this, it's all-time best. Favorite pole this year would definitely have to be the Xero Trad colored pole. These were new this year, and this is the green one. It stayed in great condition. I just like the overall texture of it. I've used it ever since I got it. People always ask, can you buy extensions for this? You can, but they're not in color. They are in black. They are sold out for the rest of the year. They'll be back in the spring. But definitely my favorite trad pole of the whole entire year. I just love it. I would say too, I really, you know, I've talked about it. I've really fell in love with the Techno Pad this year with the bronze wool. I just don't have many bronze wool pads right now. And then the maker handy sleeve with the towel. I've really gotten used to these. I don't use this anymore for the bronze wool pads so that the white felt doesn't get into it. But I always have those two things on my belt, and they help me considerably. So even though it's middle of winter, my favorite solution of the year is Winstall Super Slip and Dawn. Overall, cheap solution. One of these lasts me for half the year. I have another one pretty much full. I still use it for if I do stuff straight in the sun. But Dawn, Winstall Super Slip, super easy solution. I still like Glass Gleam and Dawn for houses, but I haven't really used it much. But overall, these two. Best water fed poles, SteveOnator is my own, of course, and the Xero Destroyer, of course. Favorite brushes are the same. Boars here, balls here, and boars here. As far as hose reels, I've been using the Tucker one all year, and it's pretty good. It's not, when I first got it, I really loved it. It's the best thing on the market right now for a hose reel, but it's definitely really nice to have 150 feet of hosing. I found that the 150 feet is like perfect for everything. So with my other RHG reel I used to add on another 50 feet of 3/8-inch hose. So I definitely suggest if you need a hose reel, go with this. It's definitely the best thing that's on the market right now. If you just want 100 feet, the RHG one is really good as well. But it's about just $100 difference between the two. I know a lot of you guys like these screen removal tools. Just do a putty knife or a paint can opener. Like, I love to tell you to go buy, you know, these window cleaning screen removers. But I'll be honest, a putty knife or a paint opener just work extremely nice. Overall, some of the things that are plastic, I would stay away from because you're going to get screens that are extremely stubborn, and you're not going to want to use something plastic. There's a number of times where, I mean, we are prying with this thing. So I would keep with that overall. There wasn't a whole lot of like new products though in 2020 that really got me crazy excited. I'd say one of the more exciting things for me was getting my own water fed pole. That was huge. I'm so into water fed pole now. Traditional tools, you know, I've pretty much settled, you know. And then, you know, like always, let me get this off here. You know, this is my favorite tool holder, of course, Xero Silencer 2.0. And if you've made it this far in the video, I'm giving away a Xero Silencer 2.0. So I'll have the competition down in the links. I would ask you to subscribe, like, and share this video. But the link is going to be below in the description. Here's the deal. As you guys know, these are hard to get. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to order it and then get it to the person. Sometimes I don't know when these are in. So if it takes another month for you to get it, you'll still win it, but I'll get it to you as soon as I can get it to you. So simple as that. But like, Xero Silencer 2.0 overall is the best bucket on a belt in my opinion. I haven't had a wet leg in, geez, like over 2 years, which is super nice, especially in the winter time here. It's really nice. So I definitely suggest that if you're looking for the best bucket on a belt to get the Xero Silencer. So, and I'll give away one of those in this video. So I think that's a very nice giveaway. So yeah, check out the link below, enter that, and then once it's available, I will get it and I will get it to you. Okay. Favorite scraper, Xero Scraper. Not the fanciest scraper, but I've actually really enjoyed this scraper. So this window has barf on it. This is not a good sound actually. I'm gonna get the barf off. This is a college apartment place, so you always find some interesting things on the windows. That did it. So I totally forgot to film the ending when I made the video, so here it is. But yeah, you know, 2020 is just a crazy year. I can't really think of a lot of other tools. You know, I do so many videos on tools. That's the one guy said who said, don't do a video on it. It's like, you know, my channel is based on so many window cleaning tools. That's why I'm really excited for next year, is to kind of get away from that a little bit. I'll still dibble and dabble in it here and there, but it does get repetitive, and I know that, you know, for some of you guys it's like, okay, well, we don't really need to see this video because we kind of know what you like. We know that because you'll do a video on it, and that is the truth. There are some cool products coming that no one knows about yet, that I'll be doing some videos on, so that will be fun. But to reflect back on 2020, the actual year, a little bit, you know, I think the biggest thing that I learned was not to get too comfortable, and I did that. I was comfortable in the situation that I was. You know, I always had money to pay for my bills and have extra, and then when all this hit, it was a very scary time, and thinking, wow, is it possible I could lose my home? Is it possible, you know, I could lose some of these items that I never thought was possible? And I never had a moment like that until this pandemic. Back in, you know, 08, 09, when there were all sorts of issues in the economy, I didn't feel that as much. You know, I was in college. I just didn't feel it as much. So this was my first big thing to happen in life to really hit me money-wise. So it was a good thing in that I think it just kind of gave me the kick in my ass that I needed to start pushing and really planning for retirement, planning for just everything and anything, and making sure that I'm always financially stable for a long period of time, not just, you know, for the short term. So, but anyways, I don't want to reflect too much on that. This is the last time you will see me in this van. It is the last time. I hope in the future that we'll get to see Jim and Alf in a video. I know I'll be working with them every once in a while here and there on things, so that'll be always fun. But that's the best of 2020 video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a little bit repetitive to what I always talk about anyways, but anyways, the Xero Silencer giveaway, that's exciting. Go to the link below. I'll put that in the comments as well, as far as the link to that. If you don't know what the Xero Silencer is, then I don't know where you've been, but I'll put a link to that as well so you can check that out. It won't be the Broncos Xero Silencer, so don't worry if you don't like the Broncos, you're not getting that. It's just going to be the all black double loop Xero Silencer. So I will get you that as soon as they come in stock. So I'll let the giveaway go until the This will come out tomorrow, which will be Saturday. So I'll let the giveaway go until the day after Christmas, so the 26th of December, and I'll pick the winner. Hopefully by that time, somewhere in stock, and then you will get a Xero silencer. So very, very, very exciting. But yeah, that's it from the year of 2020. What a crazy, crazy year. But I'm really, really excited for 2021. Super, super excited. So you all have a good holiday season, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.